Hey everybody, and welcome to another Head Viral video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how can you hide your friend list not to show to others. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications. Let's get started. So first of all, we are opening our Facebook, and I have opened my Facebook, and I will go to my profile, and my profile is opened, and you can see your friends. I will click on friends, my laptop is a little bit slow. So after clicking on friends, you can see here manage, so click on that and go to edit privacy, and then you can see your friend list and following. So who can see your friend list? So I will choose only me, and here also following, you can see the people pages list you follow. So I'm going to choose also this, all only me. So I have hidden my friend list and following, which other will be not able to see my friend list and pages that list you follow. So I'll click on done, and now it is changed to my profile. So in this way you can hide your friend list and follow pages. So this has been a viral video tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.